Dive into the buzzing world of bees, the tireless pollinators that are vital to our ecosystems. From the flowers they visit to the food they help produce, bees are crucial to our survival. Yet their numbers are dwindling, but there's hope, and it starts in your backyard. Transform your garden into a bee paradise. Plant a tapestry of California poppies, marigolds, and other vibrant blooms that beckon bees with their warm hues. Don't forget herbs like lavender and thyme, which double as culinary delights and bee magnets. Even a modest window box can become a haven for these winged workers. And remember, pesticides are a no-go. They're harmful to our buzzing friends. Ever heard of a bee bath? It's a simple sanctuary where bees can quench their thirst. Just add clean water to a shallow dish with rocks for bees to land on. And while bees don't have traditional houses, leaving a patch of undisturbed earth in your garden invites solitary bees to create their cozy burrows. Local beekeepers are the unsung heroes of the bee world. By purchasing their honey and beeswax products, you're investing in the well-being of bees and your community's health. Plus, indulging in raw honey might just soothe your allergies and boost your nutrient intake. By planting thoughtfully, creating restful spots, and supporting beekeepers, you're not just helping bees, you're enriching your entire city. Now that's a reason to buzz with excitement.